Quickly add stripe lines to your pattern pieces using stripe line selection. Once started, an editor window appears. Different parameters can be set here, including the grading, extensions, and length of the created stripe lines. Choose the alignment of your stripe lines. If needed, a label can be added to the stripe line as free text. Confirm your settings with OK and select the pieces. If a piece containing a mirror line was selected, the macro pauses. Now you can decide whether to reverse the stripe line or keep it as it is shown on screen. Keep an eye out for the message displayed in the dialog box. To reverse the stripe line, click with the right mouse button. If not, continue with a left click. A stripe line has been created for all pieces. Pieces already containing a stripe line will be skipped.